Saturday in Park City. We just got our press credential. Congratulations, Chris. You're media of Sundance. Let's go get some food. And I know we're in the right place because we found...
So he wakes up one morning depressed. The nurse says, "What's wrong?" And
Hello from Park City. This is the Egyptian Theater. All right, we're gonna go wander around Park City for a second. It's a very festive outfit. All right, behind me you have the actual Park City lifts and ski run. We're gonna go wander up Main Street, which is behind me. See what it has to offer. Here's the Festival Village, and then we're gonna go across the street here. See what all is on display here. Festival Village is now open for business. It is 12 o'clock noon here in Park City, Utah. All right, Chris, you ready? Let's go. Let's go check it out.
I had him turn it down because I thought we were going to meet.
There, of course, is the NSX in Thermal Orange Pearl, as well as the rest of the lineup here, including the new 2019 ILX. This one is the A-Spec, and it has the premium package and some specific features to that package. Check it out.
In no other industry, I mean, we're here in the Acura tent right now. When Acura puts out a new car, do they... They're not from...
We're inside special VIP area now, checking out the view on Main Street, Park City. Couple sweet, looks like the new Lambo SUV down there. This is the Utah Olympic Park. This is where the 2002 Winter Olympics were held. So you can see the ski runs here in the distance. We came from the road down there, but it's kind of cool. There's a museum, gift shop inside here. This is the St. Regis Hotel at Deer Valley. We're gonna chill out here in a little bit with the high rollers. Pretty cool place though. We're freezing up here. We're gonna help ourselves to the Cocoa Bar here. We've got all sorts of fixins over in this area. Chris is going with marshmallows for starters. This is more from Sundance. It's crazy down here on Main Street. We're just trying to find a place to have dinner here. Packed. Yeah. Checking in for our Saturday night festivities here at the pavilion or festival. This was my shuttle to Taylorsville, West Jordan area. It's my friend Sunny. Thanks for the ride.